square kilometers. And the circumference of this forest, we only move around forest in 350 kilometers. Mabira forest is the thick forest. You see, most trees, they grow very tall in order to get sunlight, light. Most trees in here, in Mabira forest, they grow very tall, and they grow very huge because they receive a lot of rainfall. Species are one, have the red-tailed monkey, have the mangabe, have the babbage. Red-tailed monkey are common in the forest. Yeah, this monkey only eat greens, we say young leaves, fruits, mushrooms. So they are called vegetarians. They don't eat flesh. So these monkeys, they move in a family. A family of red-tailed monkey. In a family, you have members. There are about 15 to 20 members. So this family, they sleep all together. They look for a tree which has got a thick branch, so they sleep on top of tree, not down on the ground. We have also trees, about 310 species of trees. This tree, it has already been attacked by termites. In Mabira forest, termites are very dangerous in this forest. This is a good example of a tree which has been attacked by termites. Termites, they pass underground, they just attack, eat the roots of the tree. In 10 years, you will find the tree falling down. So when you have your planted forestry, don't allow termites to be in your garden, because it will spoil all your trees. We have also trees. This vine or climber, they are also useful. They are used for weaving baskets because they are very flexible. And you see here, it is very, very flexible. Cannot break. So this climber, they are dangerous, very, very dangerous to these trees. They just change the shape of the tree. You see it?
Yeah.
Up to the top of the tree. Top of the tree.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It doesn't break?
It cannot break. Very strong.
You wanna try climbing?
I do like.
You can try.